Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. I hope everyone's doing well. For this tutorial, I'm going to show you a new stitch. As you can see, doesn't this look beautiful? I fell in love with it. I just fell in love with it. You won't believe how easy and simple it is to crochet this pattern. It's unbelievable. First, when I looked at it, I said, oh, there's something in the middle. I thought it was done differently. But oh my goodness, it's so easy. So let's go into it right away. Okay, I'm using Bernat 4-weight yarn on this one. And for the tutorial, I am going to be using this yarn, which I bought, I believe, from Svetlana. Yeah, and it's a 5-weight, so it is pretty bulky. Okay, so I am going to start chaining. Chain as long as you want. I am making scarves for donation, so this is going to be a scarf, and I'm going to make it pretty long so they can wrap it, and these holes won't do any harm because it's going to be long, so they will wrap it, and it will be nice and warm. So I'm just going to chain as long as I need. Okay, just chain. And this yarn, it is 100% acrylic. So it's like the Caron, one of the Caron yarns, I believe. The brand name I don't know because I get lots of questions asked, what yarn do you use? It doesn't have to be the yarn, you just need to work on the stitch. So I am not I'm showing you how to crochet the stitch, just to point out. Okay, so I am going to chain this long, and this will be enough. So you can use any yarn you want. You don't have to use a 4-weight, you don't have to use a 5-weight. It can be anything you want. So I chained as long as I need. You can make cardigans with this stitch. Oh, anything. So on the 4th, I'm going to make, okay, we're going to pull it by the 3, the quadruple crochet. I think that's what's it called. Okay, so I did 2. I'm going to chain 3. And then I'm going to skip 3 on the 4th. 1, 2, 3, 4th. I'm going to repeat. So I'm going to pull it by 3. So 1, 2, 3. If you don't want to do quadruple crochet, you are welcome to do double crochet. It just gives you the height. And I am making scarves for donation, so I need that height, right? So I can crochet it faster. Okay. So on the 2nd, I'm going to repeat, chain 3. It's a 2-row repeat, and it's super fun, and it goes so fast. So I would highly recommend, especially for new beginners. So again, skip 3 on the 4th. Make a quadruple crochet. So pull 1, pull 2, and pull 2. Okay, I am not going to show you like you are a new beginner, because you should know how to crochet. So it's so easy. It doesn't have to be a double crochet. It doesn't have to be a triple crochet. As long as you know how to hold your crochet hook and chain, you can make anything you want. Just jump into it. So I made my 2nd, chain 3 again. So there's 2. We make 2 quadruple crochets. 3 chain, and then 1, 2, 3 on the 4th, repeat it. Skip 3 on the 4th, repeat it. It's so easy. You can even make single crochets, but it would be tiny, right? Half double crochets you can make, but we want that height, so that's the reason I'm doing quadruple crochet. So I'm pulling it about 1, 2, and then 2 loops. So don't be scared, just grab your crochet hook and the yarn. I'm sure you have plenty of yarn in your stash like I do, and just continue crocheting. Just follow me. Grab a cup of coffee and jump into the tutorial. It's so easy. and it's just sophisticated. You can make ponchos with this. I even thought about making a poncho, but I have so many whips. I need to finish a couple of them. So yeah, this will go for the homeless. Pull one, pull two, and then pull two. Again, three, skip three, 1, 2, 3 on the fourth. So this is the foundation of the pattern, and then on the second one, repeat. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Again. So I won't have room to make another one, so this is going to be my last. And then go to the next one. Pull one, pull two, chain 1, 2, 3, 4. The reason I'm chaining 4 because it's a quadruple crochet. If it was a double crochet, I would have chained 3. Turn my work and then go to the next one and repeat it. Actually, I saw this on a tutorial. It was in a different language. I don't know what it just pops 1, 2 chain, and then she was doing a cardigan. Okay, so I said to myself, oh, this is a perfect stitch to make anything you want. So chain 2 here in the middle where we did the 3 chain, we're going to make a single crochet, 2 chain, and then come here and make a quadruple crochet. Pull 1, pull 2, and go to the next one. So there's nothing different. We're going to go on top of each time, and then we're going to repeat chain 2, and then go here and then make a single crochet. So this is the second row. This is all we're doing. Chain 2, pull 1, pull 2, pull 2. And I'm using a 6.65 crochet hook. The tulip, 1, 2, chain, single crochet, 2 chain, and then repeat. It's mindless. You don't have to count anything. You can just watch a movie and then crochet this stitch, this pattern. Just fantastic. 2 chain. So the second row, there's 2 chain, 1 single crochet, 2 chain. That's all we're doing different. The first row is the foundation, how we started. 2 chain, 2 chain, 2 chain, single crochet, 2 chain, and then make a quadruple crochet. And on that 4th chain that we chain, try to pick the I would say the 4th chain, and then make a quadruple crochet. Oh yeah, at the beginning we should have done it on the 4th. Well, that's okay. So yeah, chain 4 to go up, turn my work, and repeat what the 2 row. 1, 2, oh, this is too loose. 2, 3, jump here where the quadruple crochet is, and repeat quadruple crochet, just like this. How easy it is. Oh, you're gonna say, oh my goodness, this is fantastic. So you just continue crocheting, and you will see this, and the more you crochet, you will see this. See? One, 2, 3, and then jump, and then make a quadruple crochet, just like this. Just 2 row repeat. That's all we're doing, and it's so easy. I am planning to make a dress with this stitch. I have these gorgeous cotton blend yarn, oops, I forgot to do 3 chain. Don't forget your 3 chain. I made a poncho and it looks like this. Yeah, it does look like this. Yeah, I had to go back and check that tutorial. I called that the butterfly bow stitch. It does look like this, but it has more of chains. Yeah. So chain 3. Just a 2-row repeat, like I said. Quadruple crochet. Pull the first, pull the 2, and then pull the 2. Let me show you one more time. And I would highly recommend you to finish it on this row. That's how we started, right? We started like this. I am so sorry about the traffic. It's crazy. I had my window open because it's nice and breathy. The nice fresh air. But it's crazy loud. Here, let me just pause it. Making too much noise. And then you poke your crochet hook on one of the chains. I would say the third one. Pull 1, pull 2, and pull 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4 chain. Turn my work. And then repeat row 2. Pull 1, chain 2, single crochet, chain 2. And this is all to it. This is so easy. I hope you like this short tutorial. I just wanted to share this tutorial with you, this new pattern. And I just love it, love it, love it. Look at this. It's fantastic. So I hope you like this short tutorial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to hit that notification button so every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. You guys take care, and I'll see you on my next tutorial, next video. Bye-bye.